Yeah, from the look of things, you can see we have so many channels here. We have individual channels. You can see Pulse Ghana over here. You can see One Magic. You can see Israel with 404k followers. You can see yen.com, WhatsApp itself, Real Madrid. You see, we have so many channels over here. And the main question is, how do I get my own channel as a business, as an individual? And most people don't know how to do this. So in this video, kindly stay with me to the end as I teach you how to get or create your own WhatsApp channel. So without much ado, let's get started. All you have to do is just come on WhatsApp, go to your update. When you go to your update, you can see your WhatsApp status. And besides, if you haven't created any channel yet, you see your status are in numbers like this, like they are in line like this. So you see channels. You just have to tap on channels. When you see channels, you just tap the plus sign over here. This plus sign, you just tap on it. So after tapping on it, you can see find channels and create channel. So if you want to find a channel, you can just tap on it and you search for the channel you want to find. And if you want to create a channel, you just tap on this and create your channel. So make sure you read and understand the whole rules over here guiding this community. Then you just tap on continue. Here you have to input your channel name and input your picture or your profile picture for the channel and give a slight description about your channel. And when you're done, you just tap on create and your channel will be created. So after creating your channel, the next question is, how do I get followers? So after creating your channel, all you have to do is just tap on this three dots over here, and you just share your link to your friends and your family. You can even tap here to access your channel link and share it in groups. And that's all. With this doing, you'll be getting followers from time to time to time. Thank you. If you like the video, kindly give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hope sure you subscribe to this particular channel, John Alert. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Bye.